stuff.
Now next place we go to the Mysore Palace, so let's see where. So I arrived now here at the parking place from this palace. The fee for the bike is 20 rupees. Wow, expensive. And yeah, let's check now what's the entry. So we arrived at the palace. The entry fee is 50 rupees. No, 50 rupees for 10 to 18 years old. They didn't trust me that I'm under 18. So I had to pay 100 rupees. And yeah, this is the area. So yeah, let's see. I think must just walk straight. This thing looks nice. Something Shami temple. Yeah. Let's see if I find something interesting. So first thing I can say, the area is pretty clean. They're even cleaning the grass. Okay. You can always take it too far. Yeah. And that's the immortal palace. Mysore Palace. Nice. Where I come from? Spider-Man. Okay, so inside this palace area, you can go also inside the palace. No additional fee. First time, I think. And yeah, you can also take a tour guide, which is cheap for 300 rupees. But I'm not interested somehow. It looks awesome. Usually you have to remove your shoes. So yeah, get a nice massage. So nice British drawing of stuff. This looks actually pretty nice. They've chosen nice colors and art and quality, and I don't know, I'm the wrong guy for talking about art and architecture. But you can ask me stuff about the gym. Nice, more pictures of people of the royal family. Sorry that I said people. Wow. The diaper? No, it's not the diaper, I know, but it looks like. Okay, that's how the royals received their presents. And I don't know, memorials and all these things. Wow. Yes, nice art. I like the art on the roof and the doors. And it smells like food here, which I like even more. And I don't know what's here. Just a place where nobody's allowed to go, and they made some like protection against the birds. Ah, there are some dudes. Ah, that's protection that they don't fall off. Yeah, nice, wonderful. I still have to find the stuff I want to do on my world trip, as I know I'm too less interested in religion, art, whatever. But it looks cool. And here we have, I don't know, the chair room. Is this like influences in the wild? I don't know. Much more. Wow, that looks nice. And this dude. And the paper copy of this dude. That's me. And wonderful art here on the roof. I told you the roof is the best. Yes, nice turquoise design with pink and green and red or whatever. Yeah, that's why I was standing before. I like this. And this dude is also cool with his double chin. Here they do some restoration work. It smells like gold. Oh, okay, nice. Wow. It's cool. With the green screen. And that's it, I think. So it's like 100 rupee for the entrance to this nice place. Plus this tour you can make with or without tour guide. It's okay. So today I'm spending really a lot of money. First 80 rupees the train, 20 rupees the entry to this art gallery, and now 100 rupees for this. Wow, I couldn't get even a cheeseburger in Austria for that. So 5 rupees that they take care for your shoes. This is the only additional price you have to pay. Somehow I wanted to make a picture from this palace again, but I don't know how I can get back there. Another temple, I will not go in. Looks nice from outside. After seeing all these beautiful things, you have like a... I will go there. Somehow. You have to go and walk around. So let's see. That's the way around the wall or the area or whatever. Some nice coconut trees without coconuts. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Exit door on the other side. Nice piece of art. Check all these details. I could never reproduce that. But soon artificial intelligence will do all this stuff.